Well, this tutorial is going to show you how to use the graphics calculator and make it easy. So you need a minimum of 3 coordinates to find the equation of a parabola. Here's a good sort of a question. We've got 3 points. We want the quadratic or parabola equation, and we can draw it, or else we could be a bit smarter and use our calculator. The first thing to do is to go to Stat Mode. And if there are already numbers in one of your lists, you need to go to highlight the list where the numbers are, press Delete A, which is F4, and then press Yes F1 for deleting. Enter in your X values into list 1 and your Y values into list 2, but they must be in order. So you have 0 with 5. If your screen doesn't have these functions, press F6 until these functions come up, then press Graph. We then need to set the calculator, so that's F6, making sure you have Graph 1. You may need to push that to get it, and the graph type, it may not be an XY line. So what we have to do is we have to highlight it first. So scroll down and use your button till your graph type changes to quadratic, x squared. If it's not here, press F6 again. And when you've found it, press F3. It should look like this, where you have a quad, list 1, list 2, because that's where your data is. The blue EXE button, execute, will get you back to the screen. Then press Graph 1, F1. You'll get a cool looking parabola like that, and then press Calc, F1. And we're nearly done. We want the x squared value, so that's F4, because it's a quadratic parabola. You'll get this screen and you can see the equation down here and the values for A, B and C there. So just write it out, which can be simplified to y equals x squared plus 5. Well done. I'll give you another one to try. There's the question. See how you go. Make sure your ordered pairs are set up correctly. And if you got those answers, pretty cool. Just write out the equation, think about it, and if you can factorize it, go ahead and do that. And of course that simplifies to x squared minus 11x plus 24 and factorizes to x minus 8x minus 3, the last step being optional. Almost like child's play, isn't it? I bet you his dad's a maths teacher.